Welcome back to the channel. I'm back with another video. I'm talking about people not worth keeping in your life. This one might offend some people, but it's strictly educational. It's not personal. It's not meant to offend anyone. So identify toxic relationships, man, of people that you want to keep out of your life. What are the signs? Energy drainers. These are the people that drain your energy. I mean, these are the people you feel tired spending time with. After having spent time with these people, you feel so tired and you're so drained. I'm not talking about the fun kind of tired because you've had so much fun. No, because you've had such a bad experience, a bad time with them. You need to identify these individuals and spend less time with them. For a better lifestyle and a healthier lifestyle, you want to spend your days, your time around people that energizes you. I think when I say that, people that fill your cup, you understand what I mean by that. Second tip is mean critics. These are the people that always point out everything that you do wrong. Key point, but never help you to do the good things in life. People that criticize you every time are not good for you. They are not good in your life. Now, this can be at your workplace or even bullies in school. You want to stay far away from these people as possible. They will damage your self-esteem. They will doubt your worth and your abilities as a human being. So you never want to listen to people like this that always see fault and always see wrong in you. Remember, I said key point. If this individual is correcting you, of course, be it your parent or your spouse, you need to listen, meaning they love you, they want the best for you. But mean critics are individuals that never seem to see anything good with you as a human being or as an individual. And even if they saw it, they would not commend you or uplift you by congratulating you for having done something good. So these people, you need to let go. Third is comparers. These people, no good for you. They like to say, why can't you be like this person? Why can't you be like that person? You don't need such people in your life, simply because we as human beings are unique and we are individuals. We are different from each and everyone. So you don't want people around you that compare you to other people each and every time. You want people that appreciate you for who you are and love your abilities and your uniqueness and authenticity as a human being. So these are the people that you want to spend a lot of your time with. Stay away from people that compare you to other people or people that want to change you to be like those people. Finally, fair weather friends. Friends only in good times. Like to be around you when all is fine and well with you. But when things go bad or when you encounter personal or family problems, they are gone. They are nowhere to be seen. These are not necessarily the people that are upbuilding that you want to have around you. So stay away from people like this as well. See, in everything that I've shared in this video, I'm not necessarily saying you should completely cut ties permanently with these individuals. I'm saying, if at all possible, limit your time spent, how much time you spend with them, because some of these people, could be very close family members, like people you live with within the same household. By focusing on what brings the good out in you can help you health-wise. It can help you to be a better individual, eliminate stress, and this starts with you by eliminating the people that are not worth having in your life. Thank you so much for watching this video. If it was at all informative, if you learned something from this video, please let me know in the comments. And if there's any other video you want me to create in regards to this topic, please put it in the comments below. Thank you so much. I'll catch you in the next video.